Beef tallow has been a staple in cooking and skincare for centuries, but it's making a major comeback in today's health-conscious world. Essentially, tallow is rendered beef fat, offering a rich, nutrient-dense fat that's packed with vitamins like A, D, and K2. Whether you're using it in the kitchen or frying or baking or applying it as part of your skincare routine, beef tallow provides numerous benefits that make it a versatile, go-to product for those seeking natural alternatives. One of the key reasons people are turning to beef tallow is its high smoke point, which makes it ideal for high-heat cooking. Unlike many vegetable oils that break down when heated, tallow stays stable, making it a safer and healthier option. Plus, it's full of healthy fats, which help support cellular function and even improve skin health. In a world that's constantly looking for ways to cut down on processed ingredients, tallow is a pure, simple fat that packs a punch in more ways than one. But not all tallow is created equal, so it's important to choose the best quality when incorporating it into your lifestyle. The best beef tallow comes from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle, ensuring it's free from harmful additives and packed with nutrients. If you're looking for the best options, we've got you covered with some top picks that will elevate your cooking and wellness routine. Stay tuned to discover the beef tallow brands that stand out from the rest. Number 6. Fatworks 100% Pure A5 Japanese Wagyu Tallow. Fatworks 100% Pure A5 Japanese Wagyu Tallow is a game-changer for anyone serious about flavor and quality in their cooking. Made from full-blood Japanese A5 Wagyu, this tallow brings an unmatched richness to any dish, making it the ultimate secret weapon for infusing meats, especially beef briskets, with an irresistible depth of flavor. Whether you're smoking, roasting, grilling, or sautéing, this tallow adds a smooth, buttery mouthfeel that elevates everything it touches. It's not just for brisket either. Try it with hamburgers or crispy Wagyu fries for a gourmet experience that will leave your taste buds craving more. Beyond its exceptional taste, Fatworks Wagyu Tallow is a healthy fat choice for those following paleo, keto, or carnivore diets. Unlike many other oils, this tallow is never bleached, deodorized, or hydrogenated, preserving the natural nutrients and flavors. Its higher non-saturated fat content gives it a rich, smooth consistency often referred to as the healthy fat due to its heart-healthy benefits. And when it comes to packaging, Fatworks goes the extra mile by using glass jars, ensuring that no plastic or funky wax linings leach into the tallow, keeping it pure and fresh. For those seeking the healthiest, most flavorful fat, Fatworks 100% Pure A5 Japanese Wagyu Tallow is a must-have in your kitchen. Number 5. Essential Depot Beef Tallow Grass-Fed. Essential Depot's beef tallow is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, versatile fat for cooking and beyond. Packaged in a generous 7-pound PP pail, this grass-fed, non-GMO tallow is perfect for those looking to make large batches of their favorite dishes, from searing meats to frying or baking. The food-grade, lactose, gluten, glutamate, and BSE-free formula ensures you're getting a clean, natural product without any unwanted additives. Whether you're following a keto-friendly diet or simply seeking to use healthier fats in your cooking, this tallow offers exceptional quality and flavor. The convenient packaging is a standout feature, as the PP microwavable container comes with a resealable lid and a removable handle, making it easy to store, use, and keep your tallow fresh for long periods. The 7-pound size ensures you have enough for all your culinary needs, while the rich, savory flavor of the tallow enhances everything from fried chicken to roasted vegetables. With its purity and versatility, Essential Beef Tallow is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a clean, wholesome fat to elevate their cooking and support a healthier lifestyle. Number 4. MD Life Beef Tallow. MD Life Beef Tallow for cooking is the perfect solution for anyone looking to replace traditional oils with a healthier, more versatile cooking fat. Made from high-quality pasture-raised grass-fed beef, this food-grade tallow is a keto-friendly powerhouse that helps your body enter a fat-burning state by promoting the production of glucagon. This makes it a must-have for those on the keto diet, as it supports fat metabolism and helps regulate insulin levels. With a high smoke point and a stable molecular structure, MD Life Beef Tallow is an excellent replacement for less stable vegetable oils, offering a rich, umami flavor that enhances everything from frying to sautéing. Not only is this tallow great for cooking, but it's also packed with essential nutrients that support overall health. Rich in fatty acids, it promotes joint health, supports brain growth, and aids in heart heart health, making it a great addition to your diet. Beyond the kitchen, MD Life Beef Tallow is also known for its skincare benefits. The antioxidant-rich tallow helps maintain healthy skin, vision, and neurological function. Environmentally conscious, it boasts a lower carbon footprint compared to palm oil, making it a more sustainable choice. Whether you're using it for cooking, skincare, or even soap making, MD Life Beef Tallow provides a clean, nutrient-dense fat that's as versatile as it is beneficial. Number 3. Renderings Beef Tallow. Renderings Beef Tallow by Proper Foods for Life is a premium 100% grass-fed tallow that brings a rich, savory depth to your cooking. Sourced from ethically raised, grass-fed cattle, this tallow is free from GMOs, antibiotics, hormones, and grains, ensuring a clean and pure product for all your culinary needs. Whether you're roasting, frying, or baking, this tallow elevates your dishes, adding a tender, flavorful finish to grilled meats or vegetables. It's the perfect fat for those looking to create gourmet meals with a wholesome natural ingredient. Ideal for paleo and keto diets, Renderings Beef Tallow is packed with healthy, stable fats that are perfect for high-heat cooking. It contains no additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients, making it the clean, wholesome choice for anyone seeking top-quality fat for their cooking. Plus, it offers benefits beyond the kitchen. This pure tallow is an excellent, natural remedy for dry, sensitive skin. Its nourishing properties make it a great addition to your skincare routine, offering a smooth balm for chapped or irritated skin. With Renderings Beef Tallow, you're not just cooking with the best, but also caring for your skin with a product you can trust. Number 2. Stellar Beef Tallow. Stellar Beef Tallow offers a pure, natural cooking fat that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their dishes with rich, savory flavor. Made from 100% grass-fed beef, this tallow is free from additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients, giving you an authentic beef taste that enhances your recipe without compromise. Whether you're frying, roasting, or sautéing, Stellar Beef Tallow provides a high smoke point, making it an ideal choice for high-heat cooking while ensuring stability and flavor retention throughout your meals. With its deep umami-rich flavor, Stellar Beef Tallow is a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. It's incredibly versatile, adding a unique richness to everything from crispy fries to flaky pie crust. Beyond its culinary uses, this tallow is also nutrient-rich, providing essential fatty acids and a satisfying mouthfeel. Locally sourced from trusted suppliers, Stellar Beef Tallow supports ethical practices and high-quality standards, making it a wholesome, premium fat for all your cooking needs. Whether you're perfecting your frying technique or looking to improve the flavor of your dishes, Stellar Beef Tallow is the secret ingredient that delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Number 1. South Chicago Packing Wagyu Beef Tallow. South Chicago Packing Wagyu Beef Tallow is a premium 100% pure tallow that brings an exceptional level of flavor to your cooking. With its butter-like consistency, this high-end Wagyu tallow is perfect for sautéing, searing, or frying, providing a rich, savory depth that elevates every dish. The 42-ounce can offers plenty of tallow for all your culinary creations, making it a must-have for those who appreciate high-quality fats in the kitchen. Not only does this Wagyu beef tallow deliver on taste, but it's also a healthy fat choice for those following paleo, keto, or Whole30 diets. It contains a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids, contributing to a well-rounded nutritional profile. Free from artificial trans fats or partially hydrogenated oils, it's a clean, natural fat that supports a healthier lifestyle. Sourced from pasture-raised, sustainably and humanely treated cattle, South Chicago Packing Wagyu Beef Tallow provides top-tier flavor and ethical sourcing, making it a great addition to any health-conscious kitchen. And that's a wrap on today's Legit Pick. We've explored the best beef tallow options out there, each one offering top-notch quality, unbeatable flavor, and incredible versatility. Whether you're looking to elevate your cooking, enhance your skincare routine, or both, these premium tallow picks have something special to offer. From the luxurious richness of Fatworks A5 Wagyu to the wholesome, nutrient-dense options like Renderings and Stellar, there's a perfect tallow for every lifestyle and kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more awesome legit picks. Until next time, keep cooking, stay healthy, and remember, when it comes to great ingredients, always keep it legit.